TikTok is wildly popular worldwide, but did you know it also poses risks of causing kids to become addicted or exposed to inappropriate content? Want to protect your child from TikTok's negative influence? In this video, we'll show you how to easily block TikTok on your phone and keep your child safe online. On iPhone, Method 1. Use the downtime feature. The downtime feature is very powerful. It lets you set a no-use period for your child, for example, from 9 p.m. to 7 a.m. During this time, except for apps you've added to the Always Allowed list, the phone will automatically block most apps, including TikTok. Steps to follow. Open the iPhone settings and find screen time. Enter downtime, turn on the switch, and set your desired start and end times. When the set time arrives, the phone will automatically restrict app access, helping your child avoid late-night screen addiction. Method 2. Set app limits. If you want to restrict only TikTok, this feature lets you precisely control how much time your child can use TikTok daily. Steps to follow. Open Settings, Screen Time, App Limits. Tap Add Limit. Select TikTok or its app category. Set the allowed daily usage time, such as 0 minutes for full restriction. Remember to set a screen time passcode on the previous page to prevent your child from bypassing the limit. These two features are exclusive to iPhone. If your child uses a different brand phone, check out these next methods. Method 3. Use TikTok's built-in screen time management feature. TikTok has its own limit feature. Just open TikTok, tap the 3 horizontal lines at the top right of the homepage, go to Settings and Privacy, then Screen Time Management, and set a daily usage limit. Note that kids can disable this feature themselves, so parents still need to monitor usage closely. Method 4. Use MoniMaster Pro. If you want a more comprehensive and discreet way to manage your child's phone usage, MoniMaster is a professional and efficient phone monitoring and management tool. You can simply go to the app library, find TikTok, and tap Limit to restrict TikTok usage. Moreover, MoniMaster can also view TikTok viewing history and search records. Remotely record the phone screen to monitor your child's activity in real time. Monitor all app usage to understand total screen time. Track your child's location in real time to ensure safety. Set keyword alerts to notify parents immediately if sensitive content is detected. It can also be used to limit other apps. How to use. 1. Register a MoniMaster account and choose a subscription plan. 2. Install MoniMaster on your child's phone and complete setup. 3. Log into the online control panel to remotely view data and manage settings. The best part is MoniMaster runs quietly in the background, so kids hardly notice it. I placed a MoniMaster trial link below the video. Parents interested can click to learn more. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe to our channel. See you next time.